Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep your Microsoft Teams status always active. So let's get started. So we have a best built-in option, that is you can open Microsoft Teams and click your profile picture at the top right. Here you'll be able to see your current status. You're going to simply click on it, and from this drop down you'll be able to see available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away and appear offline. So you're going to simply click on available. This will prevent manual reset but won't stop idle detection. But Teams mark you away when no keyboard or mouse activity has been shown or the screen locks or sleeps. So you can go to settings and then go to system, power and sleep. And then you could set your screen never or long time and sleep never as well. This helps but still needs activity. You need small periodic input so Teams think you're active, and you can play a long YouTube video which will keep system awake and keep scrolling a document occasionally, or use a slideshow in PowerPoint that will auto run and prevent you from showing inactive. So those were some of the few ways how you can keep your Microsoft Teams status always active. And if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.